And welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 365 2021 MOS Capstone. So if you want to complete SIMnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 365 2021 MOS Capstones and Excel 365 2021 Capstone. So we move to the main project step. So step number one. So main step to complete this projects, and we move to the question number one. So question number one is open a start file EX2021 MOS-Capstone, and if the workbook pane protected view, click the enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the worksheet so you can modify. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the EX2021 MOS capstones. So question number one is complete, and we move to the question number two. So question number two is the file will rename automatically to include your name. Change the project name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already downloaded the EX2021 and save the EX2021 MOS capstone. So main question is question number three. So question number three is format the data as a follow. Verify you are on the mobile worksheets. So part A is question number three. Verify you are on the mobile worksheets. So go to the Excel worksheets and go to the mobile cell worksheets. So you are on the mobile cell worksheets. Go to the mobile cell worksheets and so next is apply the title cell style to cell A1. So apply the title cell style to cell A1. So select the cell A1 and apply the title cell style. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups. Click the cell style and apply the title cell style. Click OK. And next is apply the Aqua SN1 fill color to cell A1. Use the fifth color at the left in the first row of the theme color. So select the cell A1 and next is apply the Aqua SN1 fill color to cell A1. Use the fifth color at the left in the first row of the theme color. Aqua SN1 fill color. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. Click the fill color Aqua SN1. So find the Aqua SN1. Aqua SN1, click OK. Aqua SN1 fill color, use the fifth color in the first row of the theme color. And next is apply the white background one font color to cell A1. Use the first color at the left in the first row of the theme color. So select the A1 and next is white background one font color to cell A1. So change the font color white background one. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. So font color is white background one. Click OK. So font color is change the white background one. And next is merge and center the worksheet title across the cell A1 to E1. So copy the range A1 to E1 and paste the range, press enter. So select the range A1 to E1, and next is merge and center the worksheet title across the A1 to E1. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers. A1 to E1, apply the merge and centers. Merge and center A1 to E1. A1 to E1, and next is apply the heading 1 cell style to cell B2. So select the B2 and apply the heading 1 cell styles to cell B2. So select the B2 and apply the heading 1 cell style. So go to the home tabs and next is so select the B2 and heading 1 cell style. Click the cell style and heading 1 cell styles, click OK. And next is merge and center the cell B2 to A2. So copy the range, paste the range, press enter and merge and center. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers in cell B2 to A2. So click the merge and center, and next is bold the cell B3 to E3. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter and bold cells. And bold cell starts. So go to the home tabs and go to phone groups and click the bold. So next is apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places to cell B4 to E6. So apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places after the decimal. So select the range B4 to E6 and go to the Excel worksheet. Paste the range, press enter. So select the range B4 to E6, and next is apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups, number groups, and apply the accounting number format, 0 decimal places. The 0 decimal places, click OK. So next is auto fit column A to E. So select the column A to E and apply the auto fit column. So next is question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is enter the word total in cell A7. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A7, press enter and press enter. So total, and next is enter the sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total of cell B4 to B6. So enter the sum function in cell B7. So select the B7 and next is enter the sum function in cell B7 calculated the total cell of ranges B4 to B6. So type is equal to type the sum function and next is sum function B4 to B6. So type the B4 to B6 close bracket and press enter. And next is use the autofill to copy the formula to cell C7 to E7. So copy the formula C7 to E7, C7 to E7. And next is apply the total cell style to cell A7 to E7. So copy the range A7 to E7 and paste the range, press enter, and apply the total cell style A7 to E7. So go to the home tabs and go to the cell style groups and click the total cell style in cell A7 to E7. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is insert the pie charts. 2D pie chart show all base sales for the month for a month. Each piece of the pie should represent the old bay sale for the single location. So insert the 2D pie charts. Insert the pie charts to show all bay sales for the month. So select the range old bay. Show the old bay sale for the month location for the month location and pie charts all base sales single locations. So insert the pie charts 2D pie charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the 2D pie charts, click OK. So next is question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is modify the pie chart as a follow and apply the layout 6 quick layout. Apply the layout 6 quick layout, add the layout 6 quick layout, and go to the chart design tabs and go to the quick layouts and quick layout 6. Click OK and move the chart so it's appear below the cell data. So move the charts below the cell data. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is insert the cluster column 2D column show the cell for each type for each location do not include the total. So insert the cluster column 2D charts show the cell for each location and do not include the totals. So select the chart and do not include the total. Insert the cluster column 2D column to show sale for each type and do not include the total. You must complete the step correctly. Review when completing the next step and check the reference. So insert the cluster column charts. So go to the insert tab, click the recommended charts and select the cluster column charts. So insert the cluster column 2D charts. Click the cluster column and click OK. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is modify the column chart as a follow. If necessary, modify the charts so each location is represented by a data series and the type are listed along the axes, and change the chart title to August sale by occurrence and types. So copy the chart title, change the chart title. So select the chart title and apply the chart style 5 to quick styles. So apply the chart style 5. So apply the chart style 5. Apply the chart style 5 and the chart quick style. So go to the chart design tab and chart style group and select the chart style 5. Click OK. And next is display the chart data label using the outside options. So display the chart data labels and outside and position. So select the chart style data label, select the data label, and next is outside and position. So chart data label and outside and position. So next is if the necessary, move the charts to next pie charts and the top of the chart are aligned. So move the charts. So move and drag the chart in the pie charts. Move to the right sides. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is preview how the worksheet will look when printed and then apply the print setting to the single page if you one of the charts selected and deselect the before previewing the charts and change the orientation page to the wider is to the tall. So change the orientation page wider than talls. So go to the uh, payload tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the orientation to landscape. And next is change the margin present narrow option. So click the margin to narrow and click OK. And next is change the printing scale all column will print on a single page. So change the printing scale on all column will the print on a single page. So go to the file tabs and go to the print groups and click the change the scaling fit all column on one page. So on all column print on a single page. So question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is top the con considering a new truck purchases help the calculate whether is good ideas for company to make the purchases and go to the truck loan worksheets. So go to the back and go to the truck loan worksheets. So go to the truck loan worksheets and apply the border using thick outside border option in cell A6 to B7. So copy the range and paste the range, press enters, and next is apply the thick outside borders. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the border to thick outside borders. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete SIMnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.